Hey, how you doing? This is Mike with Innovative Garage Door. And if you have a Chamberlain product with one of these square or newer models, what happens when you throw too hot of a bulb in, you can see this plastic just bubbles and it cracks and melts, and then the light socket thingy, whoop, comes falling out, and then you really can't get a good connection. And then if you see down there, that's kind of scalded, and then sometimes they get so bad that this light socket just totally melts and you cannot get a light to go on for nothing. So we do sell these parts, this control panel, and let me go get a bulb here real quick out of the man. Hey, how you doing, Horman? So okay, a bulb, and we got the new panel installed already, and ta-da! For all your garage door part needs, call Innovative at 630-271-9343. Visit us online, www.innovativegaragedoor.com. Visit us at the showroom at 650 Ogden and Downers for all your garage door needs. And as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our wall control panel replacement video.